Rajon Rondo is an American professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association. He was born on February 22, 1986 in Louisville, Kentucky to Amber Rondo. He has three siblings, Damon, William and Anton. He had little contact with his father, who left his family when he was 7 years old. He married Ashley Batchelor, whom he began dating during his time at Kentucky. Together they had a daughter named Royal and a son named Rajon Jr. Rondo was first interested in football before his mother steered him towards basketball because she felt that the sport would be less punishing on his skinny frame. On July 6, 2018, Rondo signed a one-year $9 million contract with the Los Angeles Lakers. He won a second NBA title with the Lakers in 2020. On February 7, 2019, he hit a 20-foot jumper as time expired in Boston to lift the Lakers to a 129-128 win over the Celtics as he finished with 17 points and 10 assists. On March 29, 2019, he had 17 assists and 5 steals in a 123-115 win over the Charlotte Hornets, becoming the first Lakers player with at least 17 assists. On July 8, 2019, Rondo re-signed with the Lakers and went on to win the 2020 NBA Finals, his first in 12 years and becoming the second player in NBA history. Rondo's 105 assists in the 2020 NBA playoffs are the most by a bench player in a single postseason. Rondo played 2 years of college basketball for the Kentucky Wildcats before he was drafted 21st overall by the Phoenix Suns in the 2006 NBA draft. He was subsequently traded to the Celtics, where he played a supporting role during his rookie season. Rondo, a four-time NBA All-Star, had led the league in assists per game 3 times. He was named to the All-NBA third team in 2011-12 and has earned 4 NBA All-Defensive Team honors, twice on the first team. During his time in Boston, Rondo helped the Celtics advance to the NBA Finals in 2008 and 2010, winning a championship in 2008 as the team's starting point guard. Rondo has long been known as an elite facilitator in the NBA, ranking 4th in Celtics history in assists and 3rd in steals. He is also considered a stat sheet stuffer, ranking 11th in NBA history for triple-doubles with 32 in the regular season to go with 10 in the playoffs. On July 13, 2015, Rondo signed a one-year $10 million contract with the Sacramento Kings. He became the first player since 1977-78 to have 16 points, 16 assists and no turnovers in a game. On January 23, 2016, Rondo recorded his 5th triple-double of the season with 11 points, 10 rebounds and 10 assists in a 108-97 win over the Indiana Pacers. On July 7, 2016, Rondo signed a 2-year $28 million contract with the Chicago Bulls. On December 2, he recorded his first triple-double of the season with 15 points, 12 assists and 11 rebounds in a 111-105 win over the Cleveland Cavaliers. On July 19, 2017, Rondo signed a one-year $3.3 million contract with the New Orleans Pelicans. On December 27, 2017, he set a franchise record with a career-high 25 assists in a 128-113 win over the Brooklyn Nets. He broke Chris Paul's mark with his 22nd assist and became just the 7th player in NBA history to reach 25 assists in a game.